forces of nature.
The four forces of nature?
Just forces of nature.
488, okay. And this is the Earth version,
correct.
Right?
The reason we don't open this one is because
now, I don't
Ferrari made this weird seat that absorbs the oils from your hands.
Wow.
You know like how Matt does that?
Yeah.
Imagine that for seats.
That's insane, man.
Like, it's literally ridiculous. So it was an experiment, but it was a bad experiment.
Yeah. So that's why you just leave it closed, right? Mm-hmm. And it's got the carbon air ducts here, flares. I don't know if you guys can see that.